I welcome you all to my platform, and I've prepared good questions for your practice revisions. So we are going to revise through these questions. They are quite a lot and beneficial to you. You'll never be the same. So let us see how we are going to revise through these questions. This is physics under simple machine. Okay, so the first question is saying define simple machine. How do we get to define a machine? Like I always tell you that I will not only teach you how to answer these questions, but these questions should enable you to answer another questions. So we are going to discuss through and we are going to revise through these questions together. So the first question is saying define a simple machine. How do we get to define a machine? We know that a machine makes our work easy. So the way in which we get to define a machine, it is this way. So define a simple machine. You just say a simple machine is a device that is used to overcome. So it's a device that is used to overcome. You say is used to overcome a huge load. So a huge load using small amount of effort. Using small amount of effort. You can finish it. Using small amount of what? Small amount of effort. This is what you need to know. So whenever you encounter such a question, that is a definition that you need to put. You just say a machine, a simple machine, is a device that is used to overcome a huge load by using small amount of effort. That's a definition of a simple machine. So quickly, we move to the other question, which is B. So what is B saying? B is saying find velocity ratio of the Pulley system. How do we get to find the velocity ratio of this Pulley system? So this is obtained by simply counting the number of wheels on the pulley or the number of strings in between the two blocks. Have you seen in between the what? The two blocks. So you just count the number of strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. In other words, velocity ratio is just equal to what? Is just equal to 4. This is a definition of on how to find the velocity ratio, the one I just said. So you can answer it in this way. There's no need of using that other formula whenever you just see a Pulley system like this. So you just need to count the number of strings. So this is what you need to know. So we've answered this part. We go to this other one. Have you seen? We move to this other question. So this question is saying calculate the efficiency. We want to calculate the efficiency. How can we calculate the efficiency? How? In which way can we calculate the efficiency? We know that the efficiency of every machine is given by this formula where we say efficiency. So I'm going to do this. Efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio, then multiplied by 100%. So this is what you need to do. These are procedures that we get to do each time we want to answer a question under this. So you ask yourself, do you have the mechanical advantage? Is the mechanical advantage given? Yes, you can calculate the mechanical advantage by using a formula where we say mechanical advantage is given by this formula. You say load over what? Over effort. This is the formula. You know that you've been given the effort is there. You've also been given the load which is there. So you just divide this in the formula. Have you seen load over effort? This is what we are going to do. So what is your load? Your load is what? The load here, we are given it is there, which is what? 600 over, what is the effort? 200. So if you divide here, definitely you are going to get 3 as your answer. Meaning that 3 is your what? is your mechanical advantage. So you can now substitute on this formula which you've just written there. So you can just say this is what 3 over velocity ratio is 4 times 100%. So if you work out 3 over 4 times 100, what answer are you going to get? So when you work out that, the answer you are going to get will be a 75%. So this is your answer. Have you seen? You just say 4 there, it's 1. 4 into 100 is 25. 25 times 3, that is a 75. So that's what you need to know and understand. We also have the last question here. The last question is saying, I believe you are able to see it. The last question is saying, why is efficiency not 100%? So why is efficiency not 100%? So the efficiency is not 100% because there is loss of energy in form of heat due to friction in the wheels of the pulley system. This is the answer that you need to understand. So the reason why efficiency is not 100%, it is because there is loss of, I'll say loss of energy. There is loss of energy in the form. So loss of energy in the form of heat. So I'll do this in the form of what? In the form of heat due to friction. So due to friction in the wheels. Due to friction in the wheels. This is what we need to understand. Due to friction in the wheels of the pulley system. In the wheels of the pulley system. This is what you need to know and understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are looking for tuitions, you can get in touch with me. You can communicate with me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, 0971 plus 26 0971 066747. This is my number. We'll be able to help you in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.